Hello again, Spartans. In this video, we are going to talk about PE waivers, what they are, how to use them, and then we're also going to answer some frequently asked questions that families have when we discuss the PE waiver system with them. So what is a PE waiver? Well, in Ohio, all students are required to complete a minimum of 20 credits in order to graduate. At Valley View, we increased that to 22 credits to graduate. Of the 20 that the state requires, a half credit must come from a physical education course, and they equate that to 120 hours of instruction. The state allows and Valley View complies with this waiver policy that allows students to replace the half a credit requirement from PE with 2 full seasons of interscholastic sports or activities. In order to do that, you fill out the form that can be found in the description below. You turn that into your guidance counselor. At the end of the season, after you've participated, the athletic director will confirm with the coach that you were there and that you were a participant. When that happens, the school counselors can then waive your PE class. Now, there is a warning here. Just because you waive PE does not mean that you are given the half credit. So you still have your 22 credit minimum requirement. So don't think that waiving gym gives you any credit. You will have to make up that half credit another way. Here's some of the questions that families normally ask when we explain the PE waiver system to them. The first one is, what activities count? It has to be a full season of an interscholastic sport or activity. For example, football, baseball, cheerleading, any of those work. As well as ROTC. We don't have that program at Valley View, but if we did, it would count. One of the ones that we experience at Valley View is we have a hip hop dance team that meets at the school. It is not sanctioned by the state, so it does not have the same requirements such as GPAs and things like that. So they do not allow that to count. But if you have any questions, stop by a counselor's office and we can check to make sure what activity you're engaged in counts. The second one is, what if you are cut from the team? What if you quit the team? What if you are removed from for disciplinary reasons? All of these would disqualify your status in the waiver program. However, injuries do not count against you as long as you are showing up and you are ready to go. I used to coach football, and some kids would show up on crutches and they would be at practice and they would be engaged with the team. This still counts. You are not removed from the waiver system because you got hurt playing. Another question is, can you split it? Can you take gym freshman year and then do a sports second year as a sophomore? No, it's not an a la carte process. You have to do either or, either two seasons of sports or 2 gym classes. If in the event you change your mind halfway through, so you do a sport freshman year and then you do gym your sophomore year, we will need to put you in another gym, either the second half of your sophomore year or your junior year, in order to make up those 2 gym credits. A third question, what if I'm moving into Valley View or moving out of Valley View? How does this work with school transfers? Valley View does not have a problem honoring other schools' waivers. However, other schools are not required to honor ours. So moving in should normally not be a problem. However, if you move out, that other school is not obligated to honor the waiver that we gave you. So you very well could have to take gym at another location.